Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking about Drupal. Drupal is a content management system, and if you've ever done any type of work with databases, it's pretty similar in the way that you can store data and create data. Um, but we'll get into that in just a few seconds here. So we're going to start out here on Reclaim Cloud, and I've already created the environment here, so we can click this link and go to that. And here's the home page here. You can already see I've created some different types of content types. So if we click on this just as an example, this is a faculty content type, and we can see the different fields that faculty has. So they have a name, PSU ID, and a course. So we can just go in, we can create another content type of our own separate from faculty. And to do that, we go into structure here, and then content types, and add content type. So we're going to be making a student, and then under the title field label, we could just throw in name there, and that's going to be the first thing that prompts us to fill out when we create a new student. So we can save, and I usually like to delete the body because it kind of gets in the way, and it's just a big block of text. So we'll just delete that really quick. So here we can add a number of different fields, and basically this is different types of data that make each content type unique. So we can go in here, add a field, and we can go ahead. There's a number of different types that you can use. For this, we're going to use plain text, and we'll do a class standing. So whether they're a freshman, sophomore, junior, or senior. And we can set the maximum length, but 255 should be more than enough. And we hit save settings. So now I have a class standing, and we can add another one too. We can add an address, because everyone has an address. I'm going to do a long plain text for that, just because there's going to be a lot more likelihood that there could be a longer amount of characters in that. So we can do address. Save field settings. And now we should have 3 different types of data that will separate and differentiate each content type. So we have address, class standing, and then the initial one is going to be the name. So to create an actual student, we're going to go back to content, add content. And here's the other content types that I have. So I have a course, faculty, and room, and they each have their separate fields. So for room, there's a room number. Student, we can go ahead. Jimmy Clark sounds good. Class standing, say freshman, and then 123 Main Street. And then once we save that, we can get taken back here, and we can see that here's Jimmy Clark, have class standing freshman, and the address there. And we can go back here and see that it's on our home page here. And you can do this with a number of different things, whether it be for students, and like I said, I have faculty, courses, and things like that. So you can really store a lot of data within those content types and tailor it to how you want it to appear.